If you've been struggling to start a weight loss journey, if someone were to say to you, if you lose the 10 pounds in this month that you want to lose, I'll give you $100. Would you do it?
Yep.
What would it take? Let me know in the comments what kind of incentive it would take for you to really get the ball rolling on your weight loss journey. $100, $200? If I lost 100 pounds, I would do it if somebody paid me $1,000. What would it be? Let me know in the comments. Now, it's not all about money. It's not all about incentives. So it's really about getting a better version of yourself. That's all it really comes down to, is feeling good within your skin. If you can get a little bit of extra money along the way, why not? So I'm going to give you 3 companies that have helped incentivize me, motivate me, and keep me accountable in my weight loss journey over the past year to help me lose almost 100 pounds in a year. I am 4 pounds and 2 weeks away from losing 100 pounds in 1 year. Fun fact, I can now fit in this shirt, which I have not been able to fit in since I was a junior in high school. That is a pretty big accomplishment for me. Not that I'm trying to be super tiny or whatever. It's pretty cool. Now, once I lose 100 pounds in a year, then I'm going to start focusing on building some muscle. Another fun little quick story. This is Diesel Industry shirt. My nickname in high school football was Diesel. Okay, it wasn't because I was badass. It wasn't because I was cool. It was because my coach gave me this nickname because I was last in all of the sprints. All of the laps around the field, I was last. In everything, I was last. I was a bench warmer. I was not that great. No, I was not. But I never stopped. I never quit. I would always do a very slow jog during our laps, but I would never stop. And that's why he gave me the nickname Diesel, because you go slow, but get there eventually. Thanks for that, coach. No more stories, though. I'm going to get into these 3 businesses, these 3 companies that have helped me. First one would be Healthy Wager. That is where you literally bet on your weight loss. You bet a certain amount of money, you can win a certain amount of money. There are 3 different ways you can do this. There are step challenges, team challenges, and individual challenges. The step challenges is like you wear the watch, it counts your steps, it averages your steps. If you increase your steps during a period of time, you can win money. I've never done that. There's also team challenges where you can join with a group of friends or employees. If you all lose a certain amount of cumulative weight, you win money to split. I didn't do that one either because I don't have any friends. So I did the individual challenge where you bet a certain amount of money, you're going to lose a certain amount of weight, and you get money back. They say that you can win up to $10,000. You have to be willing to bet more money. I am broke, so I never bet that much. In 2017, at my heaviest at 310 pounds, that's when I first decided I really needed to make a change. I made a bet with them. I bet that I would lose 60 pounds in 6 months. I bet $300. After 6 months, I was down to $250. I won $250 back. So I gave them $300 to start my bet. I got $550 back after 6 months. It was pretty cool. It was a good incentive. It didn't stick, and that is the main takeaway right now I'm going to tell you, is that incentives are great. You gotta have more to it than just money, otherwise you might fall back. I did. I fell back. I got up to 300 2 more times over the next several years. One of the good things about this company, which kind of sucks for people who want to keep making money, they won't let you gain weight and then lose weight again and make the same amount of money. You can bet if you've gained weight, they won't give you any kind of payout for it. In order for me to make money off of this again, I had to get down to 249, because if I was above that, they're not going to pay me to lose the same amount of weight. This past year, during my 100-pound weight loss journey, when I got down to 249, I made another bet with them. I bet them $600 that I would lose 50 pounds in 6 months. 6 months later, I got down to 198. They gave me $900 back, so I won $300 out of that. It's a good company. They pay out. It's a nice little added bonus. You can get up to $10,000 back. You probably have to lose a lot of weight. Probably have to bet several $1,000s. I wasn't prepared to do that. The second company that has helped incentivize, motivate, and keep me accountable is Bucked Up. That is a supplement and fitness apparel company. They have a program called the Bucked Up Boot Camp. They do this about 4 times a year. It's an 8-week weight loss, transformation, muscle building program. They have cash and store credit prizes for the top 10 winners of men, top 10 winners of women. The only thing that it costs to join this is to buy 1 full-size supplement. So if you're already using protein powders or vitamins or collagen powders, all you have to do is buy 1 supplement to join 1 8-week program. You have a Facebook group that you have to join. That doesn't cost anything. It's added accountability. You have all these people like cheering each other on. That is how the voting happens. At the end of the 8-week program, you choose the top 15 participants in men and in women. I will post those 15 people on the Facebook page. All of the people in that group, the participants, will vote on all of these pictures of all these people and decide who gets the top 10. Top 10 gets the prizes. First place gets $4,000 and $1,000 of store credit. 10th place gets a $50 store credit gift card. You get a little bit no matter what if you're in the top 10. Now, I haven't actually won any money from this company. During the summer, I did get 4th place, so I got $250 of store credit. Just this past month, I won 9th place again, so I got a $50 store credit. Now, with this, if you want to join future programs or future Bucked Up boot camps, you can use that store credit on the website to buy another supplement. Therefore, I have now not had to pay to join any of these boot camps in the past 6 months. I'm just using my store credit to repurchase some supplements, and then I just get to join the program for free. They have another program starting April 12th, I believe. So wish me luck on that. I'm going to go for first place. We'll see. Pretty sweet, but who knows what'll happen. But I would definitely recommend you look into them. It's just like a $30, you buy a $30 supplement and you're joined in on this program. A lot of accountability with everybody supporting each other. They do give some workout programs and whatnot. You don't have to follow a specific workout program. I follow my own program and then just post my pictures into the app, and that's it. The last company that has helped incentivize and motivate and keep me accountable would be 1st Phorm. That is another supplement fitness apparel company. They also have advisors in their app that can help you reach the kind of goals that you want to reach. That is a little bit pricier in the app. That's the premium subscription. They also do 8-week programs about 4 times a year. And they do a lifestyle change program, which is if you've been in the app for longer than 8 weeks and you've made a significant change, they will choose you as a lifestyle winner. The 8-week challenge, if you win, that's $4,000, and then some other incentives like them flying you out to their Summer Smash program in the summer, along with a 1-year supplement sponsorship. I think they give you like $300 a month of store credit to go towards their products. I'm really hoping I can win that this time. They also have a lifestyle challenge winner. They choose a winner 4 times a year. That is just a big transformation during a longer period than 8 weeks. That you can win, I think, $10,000, a trip to their Summer Smash in the summer, a 1-year supplement sponsorship on their products, $300 a month. I've been in the app for about 6 months. So I joined at $245 and they helped get me down to $198 along with other companies. Just my pure grit and tenacity and mental fortitude and all that stuff. I do think that eventually I will get chosen as a lifestyle winner. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I've been putting in work. I have not actually won any money from this company. They provide a lot. They do have, in the app, they do have a food tracker app. I used to use MyFitnessPal. Now I use this app because why not? I pay for it and I'm in it. I think I like it a little bit more than the MyFitnessPal as far as food tracking and creating my own recipes. I like the recipe builder in this app. One downfall is that they only really have a breakdown of the macronutrients and fiber. They don't have a full micronutrient breakdown. They won't show cholesterol or added sugars or vitamins. I'm not so focused on the micronutrients right now, so I'm good with the macros. I've liked this company a lot so far. To join these programs, you just have to download the app and use it. It's $10 for standard, $10 a month for standard subscription, $30 a month for premium subscription. That's where you get the advisor. I do weekly check-ins and help with that. They also do live streams every day, I think, at 10 a.m. just talking about different things that'll help, kind of like what I'm doing, different ways to lose weight, how to manage your time, how to manage your diet, just all sorts of things that they help out a lot with. I did mention that I lost 100 pounds in one of their live streams. They just sent me a case of their new chocolate protein shakes. So that was pretty sweet to just, I lost 100 pounds. They're like, good job. We're going to send you a case of shakes. That's like a $30 case of protein shakes. It's pretty sweet. I don't know if it's $30. It's probably not that expensive. I have no idea. Yeah. All right. Anyway, so those are 3 companies that helped me stay incentivized, motivated. All of them had their own kind of accountability to keep you in check. Weekly weigh-ins, weekly check-ins, monthly progress photos, stuff like that. It really helped me continue with my weight loss journey. It isn't the solution to everything. You need to do this for yourself, not just money or not just prizes, because once you win these prizes, you could just go right back to where you were. That's what I did 8 years ago. I won I won 250 bucks and went back up to 300 like 2 or 3 times before I finally decided to do it for myself. But a little extra incentive, nothing wrong with that. Let me know in the comments again, how much money do you think it would take for you to get started on this weight loss journey? If you've liked this information or you want to keep hearing future videos from me, please hit that subscribe button, notification bell, like button, like all that other weird crap you got to do, or don't. I don't care, whatever. I'm just trying to help y'all out. I hope you have a great day, stay hungry, and keep climbing.